everybody. Question 34 is another will be out of syllabus question, so concentrate on it for the coming May exam. So it talks about a fully charged capacitor connected to an ideal voltmeter. So before maybe it has charged Q. Okay, remember the voltmeter has internal resistance nearly infinite, right? Ideal. So the charge cannot flow through it. So no matter what is the change on the capacitor, the charge will be the same. So the question is about potential difference. Okay. So what is the change? Paper is inserted between the plates. So we have to think about with the parallel plates here. Electric field. Paper is inside. So what is the effects of the paper? We can say it has some shielding effect. So the effective length separation between the capacitor is dropped. So the effect is decreases. So remember C equals epsilon A over D. When D decreases, capacitance increases. And potential difference. So remember V equals Q over C. When C increases, V decreases. So what's the answer? Got it. Well done. The answer is B. Thank you.